The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the OnePlus Nord N200 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So the OnePlus Nord N200 is a new phone. This one came out, so that's pretty cool. So this is a nice phone. This is obviously the update of the Nord N100 that Metro also offered as well. So yeah, this is the phone mode, so it looks like a very nice phone. It kind of looks like the OnePlus now a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Has like the design of it and stuff like that. So quick specs on the OnePlus Nord N200 5G. Of course, it has 5G. Of course, that's a Samsung point. It's 90 Hz refresh rate, 6.49 inch full HD plus display. That's the phone right there. The OnePlus Nord N200 is $229.99 for retail price, but you guys switch to Metro, y'all guys make the change for free. So that's a good idea. So let's go ahead and check out the front here. So on the front here, you guys will have your earpiece and your whole punch your conversation camera. Volume keys will be on the right side of the phone there. Power button will be on the right side of the phone. And you also have a side mounted fingerprint scanner on the right side as well. I mean, that's not the power button as well. So pressing the fingerprint sensor is also the power button. So there you go. So this is on there. Those are the right side of the phone. Like I said, the power button slash fingerprint sensor there on the right side. The camera does stick out there just a bit there on the back. So be mindful of that. I'll take it to the back now. Like I said, we'll have 3 cameras. Camera for OnePlus like that. It has like this silver stripe that gets darker as you guys go down the phone. That's a really nice color design on the back there. Like I said, volume keys on the left side of the phone there, along with your micro SD and SIM card slot. So there you have it. On the top of the phone, you'll also have a motion sensor microphone on top. Flip it to the bottom. Now you guys will have a headphone jack, Type-C charging port in the speaker, so that's very nice. I have a headphone jack with a lot of things on. I'm not coming from so great job OnePlus for including a headphone jack. So it says here it's affordable 5G with the OnePlus Nord N200 5G. Harnessing the power of the largest 5G network to enable blazing fast upload and download speeds. It packs a powerful punch, making premium specs and the power of 5G more accessible than ever. Like I said, this one's very affordable, guys. It's $229.99 for retail price. But if you guys switch to Metro, you guys get this one for free. So that's a great deal there. So it has a 5,000 mAh battery, 64 GB of internal storage, 4 GB of RAM, so it's not too bad. Triple cameras in the back, 16 megapixel front facing camera. And like I said earlier, a side mounted fingerprint scanner on the right side where the power button is. Like I said right there, and still offer with the OnePlus Nord N200 for free in the switch. T-Mobile's powerful 5G network is included with every Metro phone and the extra card, so it's very nice. They got some little thing down there. They got some having a certain requirement, stuff like that. Take you to get for free, which I think is a good deal. Straight down there. More specs in the front hand, like I said, 16 megapixel front facing camera, fingerprint scanner, and that's where the power button is. Just 4 GB of internal storage, 4 GB of RAM. Triple camera on the rear, 5,000 mAh battery to keep the lights on. So, yeah, and this also has fast charging as well, obviously, because there's a big ass battery in it, so it's going to have fast charging on there. 5G ready. The OnePlus Nord N200 5G is one of the most affordable 5G ready phones out there, and that's a fact. And that is a true fact. You know? 90 Hz refresh rate. A 90 Hz refresh rate is 50% faster than the standard 60 Hz. that means more chance of swiping and a peace inducing smoothness while scrolling. Avoids the display. Life is too precious to watch movies haphazardly. The big 6.49-inch screen before it brings a new level of clarity, turn every moment into an immersive experience. It's just like cinema, except that you're at home or on a bus. So really cool. Yeah. I would like to play this video, but I don't know if I could cover it playing it. But if you guys want to watch this video, download it. You guys can take on this video to watch it. But the OnePlus Nord N200, like I said, I'll play it for you guys, but I don't want to be copyrighted for that. So you guys want to check out the video? Click it right here to check out the video. So also the OnePlus Nord N200 includes a Metro bar. So yeah, that's pretty cool there. So this is an exclusive thing from Metro by T-Mobile. It says here, get more from your new phone with Metro Card. This phone includes Metro Card, an app offering creative content from over 90 of today's most popular channels for free. Y'all guys know more about that if you guys are interested in that. Specs on the screen are pretty good. This is a budget phone, so I mean, it is what it is. It's very nice looking phone like that. You get 64 gigabytes of internal storage. About 53 gigabytes of that is available to the user. You have a 6.49-inch at Full HD Plus display, 13 megapixel rear-facing camera with autofocus with LED flash, 5 megapixel. So okay, it says 5 megapixel front-facing camera. It's actually 16 in the front, 13 in the back, I guess. So this ignore that. I'm guessing it also, has the just a shot and software too, maybe. Don't know. You do get a frame that storage up to 256 gigabytes, so take advantage of that. And the hotspot 28.6 hours of talk time Android 11 with Oxygen iOS 11. So it's very nice, latest and greatest right now. Android 12 is coming, and this phone might get Android 12 in the future, so stay tuned for that. You also have a Snapdragon 480 processor, which is an octa-core, I believe. So, yeah. There's your hearing aids there. The OnePlus Nord N200 is 6.67 ounces. But guys do have some accessories for the OnePlus Nord N200. Y'all can check them out there. Or y'all guys can go to Amazon and type in OnePlus Nord N200 to get your accessories on Amazon. And y'all guys will have a lot more accessories to choose from on Amazon than you guys will here. So, yeah. So, there you guys have it. The OnePlus Nord N200 5G is now heard at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for free when you guys switch to Metro at $229.99. In my opinion, I think it's worth every penny of it. This is like a high-end budget smartphone here. Pretty good specs on it. Very nice looking phone. It looks like a OnePlus 9. So, yeah, there you go. Very nice looking phone. Pretty good specs for what it is. I think it's worth every penny of it. And y'all guys get 5G included at Metro, so that's a win as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.